Okay, for this video, I'm going to show a simple way to take the CSS that we've got here over IO-Link and just display it on just a standard HMI program. So all I'm going to do is take the RGB values. The sensor's already been factory reset. So I've done nothing to it except for factory reset it. You can see it's showing the RGB here. So all I'm going to do is take that data to a PLC. I've got it connected to port 1 of my SIG 350, so you can see the data coming in here. So I'm just going to take those three words and display a value and maybe make a graph. So since I know it starts at D13003, and that's the R, that's the G, and that's the B, I'm going to take it in here and byte swap it real quick. And so first what I'll do is just come here and find the unused register. Since I know I'll be using my D registers, I'll just generate and we'll just find something that's unused. So we'll do, looks like 27 is there. Just do 950. So that looks like a pretty good range. All I'll do is come to my PLC program. I'll come all the way to the bottom. Make a new rung. I'll go ahead and label it. Now move that data. And we did say 950 was able to be used. So 950 will be the CSSR. Copy and paste, and I'll do that 2 times. Now all I'll do is take the next one. Gotta go to 1. I'll send those changes. And the next thing I'll do is go ahead and put my swap in. Since we're going to swap 3 words, I'll just use 1 instruction. Now just to verify that the data is where I want it and it looks correct, I'll go to my watch window. You should see that those numbers are the exact same as what we see here. So the R should be 121, G is 103, and the B is 112. If I put something in between it, those values are correct. Now I come to my HMI screen. I'll make a new screen. Call it CSS. Make a black background. I'll change this to the bottom. That way it's the same. Go ahead and I'll copy my SIG icon. And now I'll put in just some text. Make it white. Make that 42. CSS. I've just put that label in there. Now I'll come to numerical. Deregister 950. 16-bit unsigned integer, nothing special. I'll do the same thing for the B, or the G and the B. Copy that. Go ahead and line all those up. Line these up. See if I can get them to space evenly. Center it. Now those are centered. I'll just drag those down on top of it. Now to cap it off, we'll make a graph. Now we'll just go ahead and make a graph out of it. So we'll go to data history, I go to data sampling. I'm going to make a new data sample. We'll take that to the PLC. New. We won't deregister 950. It's going to be the R. G. And then B. So we got our data sample. Now we'll come to trending display. And since our max number, we'll put it just around 400, I guess. See what colors we get here. And we'll make the red, red. G, green. And the B, blue. Let's see what that looks like. Come back into it, channel. Enable the grid. And I could take that off if I wanted to, but I'll just leave that on there now just for demonstration purposes. And then just so that we go online, I want to come to my screen selection and make sure that I put this screen on there. So I'll just copy one of the buttons that I have here. make it to CSS, label it CSS, duplicate that. So for on and off, it's the same thing. Just kind of line those up. Now we'll go online and see what it looks like. There's our values. Let's see I'm over 300 now. So that's my graph working. There's the blue. I probably should have made the range a little bit higher, but that's how you would take the CSS with a basic HMI screen and program and take that data and put it on an HMI over a PLC. Pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions and hope this helps.